Hi, we meet again. I uh, I just opened my husband toolbox and I find some tools there inside. What are they? Let's check. Usually when my husband make a ladder or something else, he use this one. He uses this one. Okay, what is this? This is a saw, a tool to cut a wood or a plywood. This one, ruler. It's to draw a line in the wood, on the wood, to draw a line on the wood before cutting it. And what else? This one. This is a screwdriver. And this screwdriver, the screwdriver has two blades. This one, a blade, the blade like a star, and this is the flat one. What is it for? It's to tighten the nut. And this is the nut. The nut. Not the nut, yeah. It's to tighten the bowl. The bowl. This is the bowl and the nut. They are couple. They are couple. The nut, a bowl. Ring. Some tool used to tighten it is different.
It's a spanner.
Screwdriver.
You can tighten the bowl
Screwdriver.
using a spanner like this.
Screwdriver. Or like this.
Or like this. It's a spanner.
Is a hammer. And a hammer will work with this one, nail. We can join two wood using this nail and hammer, like this. What else I find? This one. It is pliers. No, it is this. These are pliers. These are pliers. This is plural now. Plier. What do we use to take out the nail from the wood? To take out the nail from the wood. And once more, this one. This is grinding machine. This is the plug. And this one is the grinding wheel. It almost the same with the saw, but using machine. It can cut iron like this. My husband usually cuts this iron using this grinding machine. And then he joined the iron using the bowl and the nut. The bowl and the nut. The bowl and the nut. Joining it to make something. Then, nice one. After this, he usually tighten both the bowl and the nut using spanner number 12. Spanner number 12. This one. Like this. To loosen or tighten the bowl or the nut. Okay, I think that's enough. I hope that you can also practice your vocabulary at home so that it will be easy for you to remember and use it in sentences. Okay, we meet again next time. Thank you.